In this Undying traffic review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get 100% free traffic from YouTube and monetize it without ever making a video. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Undying Traffic, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. You're going to be getting all these special bonuses if you pick this up through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, discover our top secret Undying formula for getting page 1 rankings and tons of free buyer traffic directly from Google without any content creation or technical skills needed. New unique method, no camera needed, no language barrier. So essentially what this method entails is using the power of YouTube live events as placeholders when you're creating videos. So they're going to show you inside the training and everything, but what you can actually do is create a placeholder in YouTube and they will actually rank right inside of YouTube and you can get free traffic from them without ever creating a video. So it's a pretty cool method, especially for people out there that don't want to make their own videos, don't want to have their face on camera, and you can really get free traffic from this. I've actually done this before myself. So you can see here, they've got income screenshots. Now this isn't all from just doing this method here. I'm sure there's income here coming from doing normal videos as well, but they are showing the money that's possible from doing affiliate marketing, and they teach you how to do all that inside of the training. So I'm going to go down here. If you purchase, you're going to have access to the 100% free automated traffic from Google. They'll show you how to set it up in 10 minutes, how to get traffic, and of course, how to create a lifestyle from this here. Now, here's something I want to show you. And not everyone's going to show this to you. So if you come to the sales page, you move your mouse away, you can get a discount right off the bat here. Now I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want to make sure that if you come to my channel, you watch my videos, you're going to get the lowest prices on these products. So please give me a like if you like the fact that I do that and you want me to continue doing that in the future. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick video showing you a little bit more about the product. And then I'm going to come back and show you the back end area, the OTOs, and of course, the discounts.
situation that you can dream of. If you have a business, the chances we have a funnel that will work for you. Now, step number 1 is to choose the funnel type that you want from our professionally designed options. Just click a button and the entire funnel is built for you in less than 10 seconds. Every page, every step, everything. Then step number 2, you click through and simply edit any elements of each of the pages in your funnel. You can change headlines, add in a sign up or subscription form, add your videos, pictures, and customize it to your heart's content. No matter how hard you try, it's impossible to break one of our funnels. And last, just click on the publish button and your first funnel is live and ready to start making sales. And in case you were wondering, yes, ClickFunnels already integrates with your favorite autoresponder, shopping carts, and more. Isn't that awesome? Just imagine next time you have a great idea or you find a new product to sell. Instead of spending days, weeks, or months trying to create the perfect funnel, with ClickFunnels, you're just a few clicks away from a professionally designed website marketing funnel. Because at ClickFunnels, we believe that's how it should be. So what are you waiting for? Let's create your first funnel now.
Okay, so we are back. Here's the back end area. You have all the different training in here, the case studies, the overview, the main training here, create your channel, 99% approval for affiliate offers, making the magic happen, unleash the power, the true way to financial freedom, all these different things all included inside of this course. Now, there are upgrades. The first one here is the pro version here. They're going to show you how to get 20 times your results in 20% less times with fewer, with a few clicks here. So this is a pro version of it. Move your mouse away and you can get 30% off of this. Again, I make less by showing this to you, but I want you to get that lowest price. Give me a like, please, if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Next one here, this is another version of it here. Looks like a local takeover. Learn how to bank up to $10,000 per month. They say on complete autopilot, so this is an upgrade. Move your mouse away. You can get a 47% discount. Again, make sure you get that discounted price. Next one is done for you. So they're going to do a done for you funnel for you. Move your mouse away, you get a 33% discount. Next one's license rights. You can get 100% commissions and actually promote this product and keep 100% commissions, but you can get a 50% off discount if you move your mouse away. And the last one here is grab this extremely limited opportunity to get 100% commissions on 6 of their past products. Again, move that mouse away, get 33% off. All these OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Undying Traffic and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, they show a bunch of different income screenshots, and I'm sure that all that money wasn't from doing this method. Just know that this is just one way of getting traffic. It's not a push button system. It's not going to make you $1 million. Things like that do not exist. What do I like about this? This is another way of getting traffic. If you're looking for ways of getting traffic and you're already not doing YouTube already, you don't want to make a ton of videos, then this could definitely be something that you could use to get some free traffic into your business and again, not have to pay for it. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Undying Traffic, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel. I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.